To fix your washer stuck on Add a Garment, start by understanding the causes and solutions. The Add a Garment feature allows you to pause the wash cycle and add forgotten items. But sometimes it can get stuck. This issue is often caused by a malfunctioning sensor, incorrect cycle selection, or a problem with the control panel. First, check the user manual to ensure you are using the correct cycle and options for the Add a Garment feature. Next, try canceling the cycle and restarting the wash. If this does not work, check the sensor for any blockages or debris. Clean the sensor and surrounding area to ensure proper functionality. Another solution is to reset the washer. This can be done by unplugging the power cord, waiting for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. This will restart the washer and potentially resolve the issue. If the problem persists, check the control panel for any signs of damage or wear. Ensure all buttons and knobs are functioning correctly. In some cases, the issue may be caused by a software glitch. Check the manufacturer's website for any updates or patches for your washer's software. Installing the latest update may resolve the issue. It is also recommended to run a diagnostic test to identify any underlying problems. To prevent the issue from happening again, make sure to regularly clean and maintain your washer. Check the sensor and control panel regularly for any signs of damage or wear. By following these steps and understanding the causes and solutions, you can fix your washer stuck on Add a Garment and get back to washing your clothes efficiently. Regular maintenance and proper use can help extend the lifespan of your washer and prevent future issues.